Today I'll show you how to draw a rectangle in TradingView. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In TradingView, the rectangle tool is part of the chart drawing tools, and TradingView says it's usually used to highlight an area of high interest on the chart. That makes it useful for marking support zones, resistance zones, consolidation ranges, supply and demand areas, or breakout boxes. To get started, open any chart in TradingView and look at the drawing toolbar on the left side of the screen. From there, open the Shapes section and choose Rectangle. TradingView describes it as a simple tool for drawing rectangles directly on a chart. Now click on the chart where you want the rectangle to begin, then drag to the opposite corner and place it over the area you want to mark. Once you release it, the rectangle will stay on the chart and highlight that full zone. That is the basic way to draw a rectangle in TradingView. If you want to work faster, TradingView also added a shortcut for the rectangle tool. On Windows, the shortcut is Alt plus Shift plus R. On Mac, it's Option plus Shift plus R. TradingView says this selects the rectangle tool automatically, so you can place it without opening the toolbar menu every time. After drawing the rectangle, you can customize it. TradingView says that in the Settings window on the Style tab, you can change the border color, line thickness, line type, background color, and opacity. You can also turn on a middle line, and TradingView says that middle line has its own color, thickness, and line type controls. There are also a few extra options that make the tool more useful. TradingView says, if you want to draw a perfect square instead of a free rectangle, hold down the Shift key while drawing. It also says you can use Extend Right or Extend Left if you want the marked zone to continue across the chart. So, in simple terms, open the Rectangle tool from the left toolbar, click and drag over the area you want to highlight, and then adjust the style if needed. That's the main way to draw a rectangle in TradingView. And that's how to draw a rectangle in TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.